What's up, YouTube? FilthySensei here, and we're gonna do some try not to laugh challenges with Mr. Young Rich Italian himself. Let's just jump right into it.
Why I can't be the Italian, bro?
Cause you black.
You right. You right. I don't even want it.
I'm sorry, I gotta do this to you. Y'all already know what he looks like. Boy, bring that strong jawbone ass here, boy.
Bro, I swear you got asthma.
Oh, I am legend faces. Magnet's neck looked like a sirloin steak burger. Oh, he tried it.
That nigga flying.
This man's want me to roast his whole family. Look at this one. You look like Bobby from Lizard Link. This dude look like Gru from Despicable Me. Oh, he looks like Kunta Kinte. Even Steve. Look at this. No, look at this thing. Not fail. No, look. Look at this dude. Wait till you see. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips. Oh. Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Bro, who told you I'm back to do this? His dress look like them dirty. Oh my gosh, look at them lips. Look at her. Oh my god. Why his dress? Oh my god, whose dad is this?
Shut up.
I know.
Oh my god!
That nigga high as hell.
Oh my god!
You gotta be deep though.
Oh.
I missed it. What was the scene? What was the code?
Every time I look out there.
Oh shit!
I'm Frederick Douglass.
Oh damn!
Look like Vincent from Oz.
Hey, bubble bath.
And
You look like
hello.
you are not the captain of this boat.
She was not the captain of this boat. Hell no. Hey. Or do you gotta leave it on?
No.
You want me to move out of the way, or you want him to move out of the way?
Outro.
Outro?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you know this the outro, man. I don't know what to say. I'm new to YouTube, but do the outro. Alright, YouTube, that was the Try Not to Laugh challenge. I hope you enjoyed. Let's go see what down. Peace out.